Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing this induction hob from Stoves. I bought it as a replacement for an electric ceramic hob that was here before. It's a lot easier to use than the electric ceramic hob that was here in its place. The temperatures are a lot more controllable and it's a much nicer looking unit. To fit it, I had to take the oven out, I had to take some of the cupboards out as well. The aperture needed to be increased by about 20mm on the front edge to make sure that this unit would fit in place. It's important to be aware of any of the manufacturer's recommendations regarding clearance underneath for cooling properties and around the sides and at the back. It's very straightforward to fit. It clamps into the bottom of the surface very well. The electrical connection, you might want to get an electrician in to do the final fit. You need to make sure that the cable is of sufficient quality to take the amount of power that this is going to be using. In terms of use, it's very easy to use, very easy to clean. The touch controls take a little bit of getting used to, only because I'm used to having a turn knob to control the temperature. Obviously on an electric ceramic, you'd have to wait a little while for the thing to heat up and cool down. On this induction hob, it's a lot quicker and a lot easier to control the temperature. I've been using it for about 5 days now with no problems at all, and I've grown quite used to being able to use this now. The surface stays cool to the touch. When you're heating contents up on the hob, the glass does retain a little bit of heat from the bottom of the pans, but nowhere near as much as you would from an electric ceramic. So here I have just a pan of water. I had to buy some new pans. The existing pans that I had before weren't compatible with an induction hob, but they were quite old. So if you look around online, you can find lots of deals for new induction pans. Very straightforward. Once the unit's turned on, pick the ring that you're after and set it to the desired temperature. It does make a slight buzzing noise, but that's because it works on electromagnets, and that's just a magnetic coil heating the bottom of the pan. It heats water up very quickly. It's probably just as effective as a gas hob, just as controllable as a gas hob, but without the need for gas, mains gas, which I don't have in this village. So this is why an induction hob has become very beneficial to me. It's a good looking unit. There's only one slight concern I have, is that it sits slightly proud of the worktop. There's probably a millimetre gap underneath the glass surface all the way around, which over time might get congested with food or particles, but I think if I keep on top of the cleaning regime, it should be all okay. All in all, it's a good unit. I'll turn this off now. As I say, it heats up and cools down very quickly, and also looks much better than an electric ceramic.